Hey folks, begging your excuse me, sorry to in. Now let's skip the tears and start on the whole, you know, being thing. You're doomed, enjoy the sword of Damocles is. And if I hear your cell phone, I'll say to myself, the whole being thing can get a person stressed. We should have carped way more times, now we're never gonna see them. I can show you what comes next, so don't be freaked. Stay in your I do this bullshit like 8 times a week. Just relax, you'll be fine. Drink your $50 wine and take a breath.
Welcome to a show about
You're gonna be on the other side. I'll be your guide to the other side.
Oh, in full disclosure, it's a show about
Everybody gets on fine here, like Rogers, Hart, and Hammerstein here. The women's bathroom has no line here, just pee where you want. The whole being thing, you're just gonna love the folks here. Yeah, I know you're woke, but you can take a here. And every show I do like a ton of here. The whole being thing, nobody is bulletproof. I work out, I eat clean, Jesus passed the time to face the brutal truth. Cause we're all on a hit list, might not live till choke to death on Triscuits. Hey, that's just statistics, so take a little here. Kinda like a here, the scenery is here, but there's a giant here.
Welcome to a show about
You're gonna be thank you on the other side. How you doing? Oh, not good. Hey, I'll be yours to the other side. Seriously though, this is a show about
it's taboo, but it's hardly something new. There's nothing medical professionals can do. So maybe just
if you while listening to this album, it's still gonna keep playing.
there's no destiny or fate, just a terrifying waste. Group of people that you hate and on a certain dig the universe.
That's the thing with life, no one makes it out alive. Toss that body in the oh gosh, it's awful, ain't it tragic? Blah blah Bible, Jesus magic. When you're who gives a